I'm gonna do some ASMR really quick. This is so cool! What's going on, guys? It's Justin here. Today I will be doing a giant dry ice bubble. Guys, I love dry ice. If you guys don't know what dry ice is, basically it's frozen carbon dioxide and it's super cold and it's dry. That means it doesn't melt. It just freaking disappears. Cool thing you can do with dry ice is you get the dry ice, you put it in a bowl, and you get some hot water, and then it makes a bunch of smoke, and it looks so freaking cool, and it's a very popular like little experiment. I just love it so much, and I haven't done a dry ice bubble, and I really want to do it. Ever since I was like, you know, 7, I think, I was on YouTube. I saw this video of somebody doing a giant dry ice bubble, and it looked so cool. And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna try to do a giant dry ice bubble. But first, I'm just gonna try it with like a normal bowl, you know, just to kind of figure it out because I don't know how to do it yet, so yeah. But today, like my job to be, you guys in the comment below if you guys like dry ice or not, or if you don't, if you know what it is, and yeah. I'll be sharing on into the video, yo. So guys, I went in the cabinet to get a bowl for my bubble mixture. Basically, how to make this bubble, I'll explain it later, guys. But anyways, I was gonna put this bubble mixture into the bowl, and I was about to get this glass bowl, but then Paul was like, wait a second. What if you use the glass bowl for that dry ice bubble instead of the red bowl? Because it's clearer. You know what I'm saying?
Heck yeah, I know what you're saying because I said it.
Yeah, okay. So first what you gotta do is get some bubbles, and this is to put like a bubble on top, some soap. So I'm gonna be using this bubble mixture, guys. If it doesn't work, I'm just gonna get some dish soap and some water because I'm pretty sure that works too. But let's go ahead and do this. Ooh, this is slimy. Ooh, looks like slime. Okay, guys, so then you're gonna get a rag, or you can use a paper towel. You're just gonna get something, a cloth, and you're gonna put it in your little soapy bubble mixture and just keep it in there. And now we are gonna do the dry ice part real quick. I'm just gonna wash my hands really quick, guys. Here is the dry ice. I got mine from Fry's. They usually have it at like grocery stores. Sometimes they mostly have it at Halloween. People like to use it for like punch. So guys, if you do this experiment, make sure you have your parents there or somebody older to help you with it because this stuff is really dangerous. You can burn yourself if you touch it with your bare hands, so make sure you're wearing gloves too, or whoever's handling it. So yeah, let me just 1 second. I got a little piece, guys. Look at how cool it is. Oh, that's even getting cold in these gloves. Look at how cool it is. Okay, so this is a bowl of hot water, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that in there. Look at that! Oh my god, it's so cool! I see people going like that all the time, so I'm gonna... Yeah, no, I'm not doing a good job. It's not slime, guys. Guys, look at the cover. It's all freaking covered. Okay, that's what happens, guys, when you do that. You have to use hot water, by the way. I think it still works with cold water, but this doesn't work as well. So better use hot water. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get my rag with bubbles. Okay, I don't know exactly how to do this. I think just like this should be good, and I messed up. Okay, take 2. We're gonna go ahead and drench that in soap. I did it, guys! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god! Look at that, that's so cool. Oh my god. Oh. I'm gonna try that again, guys. That was so freaking cool. Maybe I do it faster. Nope. Okay. Oh my god, I am like, oh my. Okay, let me try again. Okay, let's do this. I think I can do it this time. Yes, I did it. Yes. Oh my god, look how cool. Oh my god, guys, this is epic. Oh my god. Do you guys see the bottom of it? This is crazy. Look at how cool it is. I want to put my face in it before it explodes. Oh my god, this is so cool. Okay, I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna put food coloring in here. I wanna see if I can make a good colorful bubble. 1 second. Okay, I got some blue food coloring, guys. I'm gonna try and make this colorful. Just mix that with the rag. Oh my god. Oh, I think it's working, guys. I think it's gonna work. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, let's do this. Oh my god, I am so horrible at this. Okay, let's try again. Okay, it worked. Okay, well, I can't really see a blue bubble. It's too thin. That's why that would happen. But I wanted to try. Oh my god, guys, this is so cool. This is crazy, guys. Okay. Oh my god, guys, this is so cool. I don't know why I always get like so surprised when it happens. I know it's gonna happen. That's why I'm there. But I still get surprised. I wish you could make colorful smoke, guys. like by making like the water a different color, but everybody tried it and you can't do it, and it's sad, but it's okay. Okay, well, let me just go ahead and clean everything up, and I'm gonna get a bigger bowl. I'm gonna use this bowl, guys. I'm gonna try and use this bowl, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Anyways, guys, I got the dry ice. We charged everything. This time I decided to make the water blue, just, you know, in case anything happens.
I thought you were gonna use this bowl.
Yeah, but we found a bigger clear bowl. I thought you knew that, Paul.
Yeah.
Anyway, so we just wanted to see, Paul had the amazing idea of putting the dry ice in the bowl while the food coloring is there, just to like mix it, I guess, you know? Oh my god, this is so cool. Ooh, oh my god, guys. Yay! Yay! I'm a witch, guys, by the way. So I think we need some more dry ice. The dry ice is gonna disappear. We need to use it stat. Oh, everything's covered in dry ice. Ooh, what if I like covered Paul's room in dry ice?
That sounds really cool.
I know it does. Oh my god, this is so cool. Okay, let's try. Why isn't it working? Okay, let's try this again.
I don't know, mini bubbles.
Oh my god. Okay. I don't know what to do. What if we just put the soap in here?
Whoa.
Whoa! Oh my god, guys, look at oh.
That's
Look at how cool, guys. Oh my god.
That's so cool. That's so cool.
It's like ASMR. Okay. Guys, we have just created a new type of ASMR. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Oh my god, this is amazing, guys. I'm gonna do some ASMR really quick. This is so cool! Oh my god, all the freaking bubbles, guys, they look like normal bubbles, but really, they're filled with freaking dry ice. Okay, this is amazing. Okay, you know what? Change of plans, guys. I'm just gonna put it straight into the bubbles. And this is like half water, half bubbles. Like not even half bubbles. So now we have a bowl of bubbles, guys. We're gonna pour this on the dry ice. Hopefully it works. No! It's so cool. I'm getting a cup of really hot water, guys. And I'm gonna microwave it till it burns to death. I got some hot water. No! It's not really doing anything, but it's doing better. Oh no, we have a leak. We have a leak. Oh no, what do we do? Oh my god, guys. Slap, 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 slappity slap. I'm not slapping it, guys. So I was grabbing the dry ice, guys, and I found out something really funny. This is a dry pizza counter. There's nothing, no water on it. Why does it do that? I feel like it probably has like soap on it still. So now, guys, I have a bowl of hot bubbles. Yes! Oh my god, guys, this is crazy. Yes, bubbles. Okay, well, I guess we completely got sidetracked, guys. We were supposed to be making a giant dry ice bubble, so let's just go ahead and fix everything and go back to that. Here it is. Here's the little DIY creation Paul made. He decided to get a bunch of hula hoops and like put some plastic and put another hula hoop on top of here. And now we got a big bowl. So yeah, so shout out to Paul and his channel. And let's get started. I have some hot water right here. Yes! Okay.
Hey Ameerah, can we take a second to look how amazing my creation is? There's no leaks or anything.
Okay, this is all done now. Let's go ahead and get it. Oh, by the way, I microwaved some water, guys. Oh yeah. Okay, now we're gonna try making this giant bubble, guys. I am so excited. I feel like we should get like some more dry ice. I got an actual towel this time, and Paul actually cut it. Okay, I got some Tide, guys. Oh my god, guys, I think the bubble's too big. Amazing bubble, how sweet does it sound.
I guess we just have to dump the bubbles now.
You know what? We're just gonna go ahead and do this really quick. Yes! That's what I'm looking for. Oh my god, this is so cool! I wonder how big it's gonna get. I'm not gonna touch it. I won't touch the beautiful babies. Guys, look at how big it's getting! Yes! Oh my god, it's like a little snowman. Oh, that was so cool! Oh my god, look at, there's a bunch of milk right here. Boop, 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 boop. More bowls coming right up. Whoa. My finger is right here. Oh, that was so good, guys. Please, just let me pick you up. I won't hurt you. I picked up a bubble. I'm gonna stick my head in it. I'm gonna stick my face in it, okay? 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, look how cool that is. Okay, well this was amazing, guys. You guys comment below what you guys want me to try this again. I'll try and like get a better bowl or something. Maybe something that like does something, you know? Or maybe like get more hot water or really hot water or get different bubbles or use something different. I don't know, do some more experiments with it, but you guys comment below what you guys want. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much and I really hope I see you next time. Bye.